In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Aliexpress and make a purchase using the cash on delivery option if it's available in your country. Let's dive right in and get you on the path to effortless online shopping with Aliexpress. Our first step begins with navigating your browser to the Aliexpress website. Typing in the URL or simply searching for Aliexpress via your preferred search engine will get you there. Once you've landed on the home page, you'll notice a plethora of items ranging from electronics to fashion and everything in between. It's a vast marketplace with products from around the globe, which makes it an excellent resource for finding unique items or good deals. Now let's talk about finding the product you desire. Utilize the search function prominently displayed at the top of the page by typing in specific keywords related to what you're looking for. Whether it's a new gadget, a dress, or some home decor, input keywords that best describe the item. Aliexpress will generate a list of products matching your search. As you browse through the choices, consider sorting them by relevance, price, or popularity to streamline your search. Once you find an item you're interested in, click on it to view additional details such as the product description, price, and reviews from other buyers. Take your time to evaluate these reviews to ensure that others have had a positive experience with the product and seller. Reading through customer reviews can be invaluable in giving you an idea about the quality and authenticity of the product. After you make your decision, add the item to your cart. When you're ready to purchase, click on the cart icon, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. This will direct you to the checkout page. Here you'll see an overview of the items in your cart, their prices, and the total amount you're expected to pay. At this stage, it's time to select your payment method. If available in your country, Aliexpress might offer the cash on delivery option. This allows you to pay for the item when it arrives at your doorstep, which can be a convenient option for those who prefer not to pay online or don't have access to other payment methods. Make sure to check if this payment option is provided by the seller during checkout. Remember, availability depends on your geographic location and the seller's policy. And there you have it. You're all set. You've successfully navigated through Aliexpress and learned how to complete a purchase using the cash on delivery option. Enjoy your shopping and don't forget to track your order through the Aliexpress website to stay updated on its delivery status. Happy shopping. Be out.